The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only
Morning,
mode.
fellas. Dennis, good morning. Guys, very good morning. Can I get a sound check, please? Sound is good. All right. We made it through the week. Not one issue this week with GoToWebinar. Perfect. Guys, very good morning. Today is Thursday, September 14th. It is PPI day, along with continuing and initial jobless claims. Let's see. Okay, I'm just 20 half. That's probably the same. And 91. I'm just, there we go. I ran the bot this morning for a short while. The original bot is up 375, and the trend bot is up 215 currently. They are both off. All bots are off. I do not have crude or gold on either. In any event, we have PPI this morning. It's another burn one to earn one for those of you guys that may want to take a shot at that again. Yesterday we had another successful burn one to earn one day. Original up 405 and trend bot up 600. Okay, nice. I don't know. I don't know when you turned yours on. If I'd have turned the trend bot on at 6 a.m., it'd have been up a fortune. I am trading on the trend bot today. I am at 7. Yeah, I did too. I don't know how you're up 600. I am trading the trend bot in Sim today. I don't have. I have only one evaluation account, which I'll be trading on the screen. So I think we're waiting on an ECB rate announcement this morning. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. Good morning, Jacques. Somebody correct me if I am also retail sales. Yeah, retail for us, retail sales is big at 8:30. So we've got a lot of news at 8:30. ECB rate decision is in 15 minutes. Thank you, Arjan. So 8:15 and then 8:30 we have retail sales and PPI. Oh, I don't need that. And continuing and initial jobless claims, which I don't pay any attention to. Yeah. I don't know why they don't show the ECB here, but in any event, yeah, we're going to get some volatility. Nice. Your bot's up 1245. Nice. Very nice. I'm thinking Saturday morning I may do some education on the original bot as well as Deepak, yeah, 7 to 8:15. The original bot and also, go over a couple of things in the room. Saturday morning is, and I know some of you are going to ask me if I'm going to record it. I'm not. So if somebody in the room wants to record it and send me the recording, that would be great, because what I'm going to cover with the original bot, I'm not willing to make public on Vimeo. So there are certain things, certain aspects that I'm not willing to give. Okay, Deepak will record it for me, send me the recording, and then anybody that can attend, I'll put it I'll put it in the member area or send it to people. If anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. We basically have nothing to do here except read the disclaimer, and we'll take a look at some charts. Good morning, Gene. All right, U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. 700. Oh, I don't like this. Come on, push. This is a problem, this yellow band. Again, it's a generic 50-tick target, guys, so it's not predicated on it. I closed it. It's not predicated. We held that yellow band. I told you this is a problem. At least for a bounce. I don't, eventually that'll break. I'll have to find zones lower. But we held that for a bounce. All right, let's see where we could come. We are probably going to trade back down to 550, which was yesterday's close. It's going to take a bit to get there. At breakfast, Trendbot's up 1660. We break below 05, we come 85. God dang it. There we go. Come on. We have sellers. Small buyers or sellers are back in. Come on, push down through that zone. Let's go. There we go. I think we're going to eventually come down to 552. Didn't get a trade. 85 is a target. Looks like we hit to the tick and didn't fill. Filled it now. Target is 85, fellas. Call it 86. Holding the bottom of the 10-minute cloud. Could bounce back to 18. My Dom looks like a madman right now. Over 1,000 on the net negative. Hourly, the hourlies are holding support. Nice runner on the original. You can't close a trade. Go to Apex, go to your account, flatten positions. Anybody else having Apex issues? Okay. Everybody else is good. Okay, Trendbot shorted again. We're at 1,300 net sellers. We could get a bounce back up into this zone. I would look to short that zone now on a bounce. Man, the DOM is just insane. Let me look at ES. ES broke out above that 42 trend. The original just shorted again. Another winning trade. Another winning trade on the Trendbot, up 24.95 on the Trendbot. We're firing on all cylinders here, guys, on the bots. $1,500. We could go as high as 14. It's the 10-minute that's preventing us from breaking down. I would sell 13, 12, 13 if we get up there. 1,500 plus on the net. Okay. Come on down. Break below VWAP again. Let's go. There we go. No breakdown. That flattened it. No breakdown. Small. Don't care for longs up here. 400 buyers have come in though. Losing some buyers. See if we flip again. 91. Now we're long on the original bot. Target filled on the original. Stop filled. Little choppy here, guys. Little choppy. It's this zone. down below 1,000 sellers. We're probably going to move up to 30. Below 900 on the sellers. Hanging out around 10 minutes breaking down. Two-minute goes long above 26, 27. Crude doesn't want to freaking roll over at all. All right. We got hourly longs, 10-minute longs, and once the 2-minute goes long, you're long. 2 minutes long at 27 if you're not already long. 27. We're fighting yesterday's high at about 20, 19.75. That's yesterday's high. Two-minute trying to turn over again. We're below 800, trying to go below 700 on the sellers. It looks like it's trying to push higher, but I don't have much here. Here's your 2-minute is still shorts. Now the 2-minute goes long above 23. The bigger time frames are long. The small time frame is short. Sellers back in, closing in on 1,000. First 15-minute bar closes in 2 minutes, and that's given me a sell. Back to 1,000 sellers. Just dinking around here, guys. My opinion is we've seen the high for the time being. Value area low down in here. There's no real rejections. I mean, this whole area, I guess, could be. The small time frame is winning. The 2 minute is turned over. Five minutes in shorts. Your stop needs to be 26 from here. Lousy price action, guys. Short on the original bot. Hanging out around 975 on the negative delta. Nothing. Over 1,000 now. The 2 minute cloud is holding us up. Nothing to trade here, guys. Nothing. All you can do is, we're going long above 20 on the 2 minute, and then we'll be congruent with all the other time frames. Back below 900 on the sellers. This thing has an identity crisis. Breaking back down. Come on, hit target one, you dog. Tell me you did and didn't clear it. No, one tick. Target one filled on the original. Out at even, up 11.55. I'm going to shut that off for now. Back up to 1,100 net sellers. We can't even get a 2 minute close below the cloud. Straight chop. I mean, look at the ES. Could this be wedged in a tighter zone? It broke out, pulled back, and it's starting to. We're getting acceptance here, just below this breakout level. We're at 2,800 sellers. $53.25, 53.5. Staying in shorts. If you guys, there's 52. Target hit there. Next target down is going to be 39.40. Ultimately to 26. Yeah, 29 areas where I'd look for the bounce. Anybody hold these? You guys just made a ton of money. We're above the 50. All right, I'm trying along here with a short leash. Come on, push here, baby. Let's go get 619. Push. Come on, push. Trend bot's long. Okay, we're through. 74 is value area low, so come on. Push. Push. You got this. Push. Come on, let's really clean the clocks up. I went short. I closed it. Flat trade. I think this pushes though. Damn it. Just no push. Here we go. There we go. We're down to 2,900. They bought back 1,100 contracts. We're above the 50, fellas. Give me my, I'm going to put the ATM on. I like it long. Target hit 2,900. It'll fire the next group as well. We're going up, guys. NASDAQ, we're pushing the top of the 10-minute cloud here. And I was pending that long at 27. Told you I was inclined to take Q calls. I'm looking at it. Q calls are breaking up. NASDAQ's got shorts wrecked now. Shorts are wrecked. We're going back to 19. We're pushing the bottom of the 2-minute cloud, the top of the 10. It's impossible. Pushing the point of control. We're going up to 25 anyways, guys. That's a good place to take a target. We're going to 19, which is flat on the day. Two-minute is pushing. 10-minute is pushing. We're long twos. I need a 10-minute close over 10 to get us out of the muck on the cloud. Down to 2,100 net sellers. They're going to buy every one of these contracts back. We're going up all the way. Back to 46. Value area high is 25.75. That's where we're going. There's $1,000 trade, fellas. My target's at value area high. We're even on the day here at 19.75 flat. It's another place if you wanted to take risk off. But I think we push to value area high, and then we're going to push into the high of the day again. We're down 1,700 on the Delta. They bought back 2,500 contracts. Whoop. We hit 19. Flat on the day. All right, flat. Trendbot's up 3,500. I'm waiting for this 10-minute bar close in 30 seconds. We ran into that, basically the daily high from yesterday. The original bot is short. We're going to go short, fellas. I want to get below 47. Yeah, I keep seeing their ads, Marco. We got sellers. We're up to 600 sellers. Come on, NASDAQ, flip. Got to get below 46. Top of the hour coming here, guys, in like 15 seconds. Yeah, I'm waiting for it to flip on the 2-minute. We're below the pivots on the hourly. What I don't want is the new hourly candle and then it blows up. If this rolls, it could be a long way down, guys. Has not rolled yet. This is why you don't short early. Unless, well, you're trading one. You could hold that for a while. But this could go to 80. Buyers back in. It's holding that zone. What was resistance is now support. That's why I'm waiting for a flip below 46. First losing trade on this bot today. It's going to finish up 260. This is not ready to come down. They drew in some shorts. Could have been profit taking. Here's the new hourly candle pushing up. New day high. I think the short is closer to 80. When the NASDAQ flips, I'll be short. It flips below 50, but 46 is going to be support. And if it takes all day and I don't get a short, say la vie. Yeah, I think it's, this is typical. They usually have one more burst and then they reverse. They're going to trap longs up here. They got shorts buried. Now they'll trap longs. This will pull back. I don't care if it takes half the day, but we're going to trade up, I think, to that next zone up before we see a pullback. I could be wrong. We could go up 1,000 points for all I know, but I know where my short is. I'm not taking longs up here. I know where my short is. And I like the trend bot if it rolls. Crude is kind of turning over. I'm going to buy 376 Q puts on a move below 76.60. What do you mean horizontal lines?